good. So good to be back out here. Everything happens for a reason. The journey here was not easy. I had a different area that I was planning on camping in tonight, and I drove about an hour and a half from my house out there. Onyx was routing me through private property and all this sketchy stuff. Turned around and then drove 2 more hours to get to this area. Tired, but I'm super happy to have found this spot. Ready to drink some beers. I'm gonna start a fire soon. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoy. She's burning. Real quick, I just want to say we just surpassed 1,000 subscribers. So if you're subscribed, thank you. If you're not, hit that subscribe button or just watch the video, whatever you want. The more fun option would be to do ground beef nachos. So I have some tin foil, so my thought was to kind of wrap up the chips with the cheese in tin foil and set them on the rocks at the fire. I'm gonna throw everything in here, and then I'm gonna wrap this in tin foil, or at least put tin foil over the top.
Tired of taking, I can't get enough of this old world. Another auctioneer, a fist inside of his mouth, watching it happen. The tide rolled in and washed us out. What was enough back then is more than enough right now.
Honestly, that worked really well. These are good. These are too good. I'm so glad to be out here right now. Get away from the city and the people and the traffic, and it's just a lot when you're out here. Just peace and quiet. Morning.
Lucy, you're killing me, and I don't know why. I don't know why. And this road hasn't done me no good. Just some sad old bars, and I've done more bad than I should. And this guitar hasn't got me very far. And just a few dirty dollars in a broken down car. Lucy, feel like trash thrown out on an endless highway, going 100 miles fast.
Got a fresh new helmet on. If you know, you know. I lost my old one. Man, if you've never mashed around on a little kid-sized dirt bike as a full-grown adult, you're missing out.
Honey, know you're there, and I swear to God that I still care. Lucy,
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end off the video here. But look at this spot I just found. Maybe I'll camp here next time. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, say what's up in the comments, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out.